The second important feature we're going to be looking at is the capabilities menu, which is basically this menu here. Now, what is this exactly? This is the ChatGPT interface proposing to you some of its key capabilities. For instance, it's telling you, would you like to create an image? Would you like to summarize a text? Would you need some advice? Etc., etc. So it's proposing to you some of its unique and key capabilities. And in my understanding, I believe that the designers of ChatGPT, they are doing this because they're trying to give a hint, especially to the users who are not familiar with the capabilities of the platform. They are giving them suggestions of what they can actually do with the platform. But this is good, but we don't actually have to go through each one of these key capabilities actually to get the output from it, because just through the prompting, we can actually ask the model to provide us and deliver this kind of key capabilities.